Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we're diving into a hands-on review of the M35 wireless microphone, a budget-friendly plug-and-play mic that claims to deliver crystal clear audio with background noise reduction. I picked this up right here in Nigeria for just 15,000 naira, which is around $9 at the current exchange rate. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Inside the box, you'll find two wireless microphones, a compact receiver, and a Type-C USB charging cable for all the components. The design is lightweight, and while the build is mostly plastic, it feels solid enough. It's clearly made with mobile creators and vloggers in mind. Simple, portable, and ready to go. What really makes the M35 stand out for me is its promise of true plug-and-play simplicity. It's supposed to work seamlessly with both Android phones and PCs. No apps, no drivers, just plug in the receiver and you're good to go. The battery life is impressive too, over 3 hours of use on a full charge. But here's the catch: as much as I wanted to love this mic, it just didn't work properly with my Gionee Android phone. No matter what I tried, that was a real letdown for me. That said, the M35 worked perfectly with both my laptop and desktop PC. No glitches, smooth audio, and overall a great experience on those devices. So here's a heads up. If you're buying this mainly for your Android phone, make sure it's compatible. That's easier said than done though, because the packaging comes fully sealed, making pre-purchase testing nearly impossible. Just something to keep in mind before you part with your cash. Pros, for me, setup was super easy, literally plug and play, really. The audio quality is surprisingly good for the price, and it works flawlessly with my PC. That alone makes it a solid budget mic for desktop recording or Zoom calls for those of us who engage in Zoom meetings from time to time. Now, the cons. The biggest disappointment for me is Android compatibility. I just couldn't get it to work properly with my Gionee phone. I tried everything using the open camera app, my default audio recorder. The result was always the same, very, very low sound. I even watched a few YouTube tutorials that suggested turning on this receiver and mic before plugging it into the phone. Sounds like a smart fix, but sadly, that didn't work for me either. So if you're planning to use this mic with an Android phone, especially from lesser known brands, be cautious. Compatibility can be hit or miss for you. Sound testing time. So up until now, everything you have been hearing has been recorded using the M35 wireless microphone, just to give you a feel for its real-world audio quality. Now, here's a quick switch. This is a recording from my mobile phone's built-in microphone. Nothing fancy, just the default mic. As you can hear, the audio is way too low. Very audible. This is exactly the issue I faced. No matter what I tried, the sound just wouldn't come out clearly on my phone. Should you buy it? Well, if you're a beginner content creator on a tight budget, options can be limited. And in that case, the M35 might be worth trying out, especially if you plan to use it with a laptop or desktop. But here's my honest advice. If you're buying it mainly for your Android phone, test it before you pay. I know it's tricky since the packaging is usually sealed, but try to get the seller to demo it, or at least allow a quick test to be sure it works with your phone. Don't assume it to be compatible with every device, especially if you're using older or less common Android models. All right. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews that save you time and money. Got a question or want me to compare the M35 with another microphone? Drop it in the comments below. I always read them, and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for staying tuned. See you again in another video. Thank you.